Good morning, friends. This is what I woke up to this morning. It's lovely out here. So yes, I give the free camping in Eunice, New Mexico 2 thumbs up. Throat, shall we? How cool is that? I got up early this morning and got out right when the sun was starting to come up because the weather report is calling for high winds today, starting about 11 a.m. So I figure if I can get 4 to 5 hours away from this area before the wind hits, that will be in my best interest. Otherwise, I would have hung out there at that little pond in Eunice for a while and watched the sun come up. Yeah, I thought, you know what? This is no fun out here when it's windy. Alright, 16 miles to the state line of Arizona. And, yeah, there's a national park up here that I've never been to. I might just go ahead and spend an hour and check that out. We'll see when we get up here. Alright, I'm going to check this place out. McKittrick Canyon Day Use Area. Mountain Standard Time. Yeah, I don't know what time it really is. My phone. I guess I don't have reception, so that's why it's not picking up where I am. Tried to answer a text earlier, so it threw my map off. Now my map doesn't work anymore. Yeah, good times. Anyway, I wanted to check this McKittrick Canyon out. My good friend Jim has been telling me about this place for years. He thinks it's one of the prettiest places in the country. And from the pictures I've seen, I kind of agree. It's going to be gorgeous, so yeah, let's go see what it's about. It is super windy out here, so I will show you around a little bit. Probably have to throw some music on it though, because yep, it's a windy one. Now let's go check out McKittrick Canyon and see what it has to offer. Very cool place to explore. It would be fun to go backpacking here. Might put that on my bucket list. I am going to head back to the van and head on down the road. Get to El Paso and beyond. Thought about pulling over a couple of times, but then I thought, why? I would just be sitting in my van rocking back and forth, so might as well be sitting in the driver's seat rocking back and forth, getting somewhere. Yeah, it's been fun. Been entertaining for sure. So I'm about 2 miles from the Arizona border, and there's a free campsite listed on freecampsites.net. Not terribly far on the other side in Arizona. So that is what I'm going to attempt to find. It's still windy out there though. Yeah, I'm done. I'm tired. I've done about 400 miles today, so that ought to do it. really pretty up ahead. I love these mountains. This is awesomeness. Yeah, this is pretty. Definite wind blocks. I like it. At 0.3 miles to the campground.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Alrighty then. Wasn't expecting that.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, thanks. Awesome. This'll work. Pretty cool. Yeah, I dig it. So I would camp at this site right here, which I suppose is designated, but I can't get my van up there. But I will be enjoying a campfire here real shortly. Yes, indeed. Very cool. This is freaking cool. Very cool. Vicky would love it here. She would be romping up them rocks. Oh, who do you belong to, buddy? Did someone just ditch you out here? Bless your heart. You look like Rue's brother. You're cute. I hope wherever you are having a fantastic evening too. Stay lost, my friends.